Robelis Despina, a decorated knockout artist and a heavyweight Cuban taekwondo practitioner with a reach of 87 inches. This guy is knocking out everybody in a row, and this time he's going to meet a really dangerous guy, Valdo Cortez Acosta. He is 6'4", 78 inches of reach. Fighting out of Phoenix, Arizona, this guy was born in Fundación Barahona, the first ever Dominican Republic fighter, and he is very technical. He outworked Andrei Arlovsky, destroyed Łukasz Brzezecki, lost to Marcos Rogerio de Lima. This guy will try to drag the bout into deep waters, and I don't know much about Robelis' cardio, honestly. He is a heck of a striker, top-notch knockout artist, but I've never seen him go into the ground, so I'm really wondering whether he is good or bad on the ground. I know he'll be fishing for a knockout. He's got powerful hands, powerful kicks. Acosta can also counter well, so he'll try to capitalize, to close the distance. I'm gonna say the fight will not go the distance. Side call, I say Robelis Despina via KO TKO. He's so powerful. A powerhouse.